Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the master window switch, we'll use a plastic prying tool. You can get this from 1A Auto. This way we don't damage the trim. Kind of gently slide it up in here, help pop it up off the clips. And there's a clip on this side, so I'm going to work it in. So basically just trying to pull it straight up off of these white clips here, and then these clips here that push into the door panel. So the lock on the connector is here, so push that in and pull the connector out. Use my plastic trim tool to help me. Kind of a small clip. So I'm going to push it in and take it off. Master window switch. Plug it in. Push it in, it locks. And then the door panel snaps into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.